Greater Cambridge Partnership is looking at public transport and sustainable travel across the whole of the region. We're trialling a small fleet of autonomous vehicles.
We'll be running on the West Cambridge site in mixed traffic with cyclists and pedestrians. The safety is paramount for us.
Connected and self-driving vehicle technology is set to play a major role in the exciting transport revolution happening today in the UK.
This project is going to help us get to that objective by picking out some of the things that we can do in the shorter term.
For a local authority, we really need to begin to understand how passengers interact with the vehicles.
This isn't a flight of fantasy. This is an emerging technology with real-world benefits.
The Centre for Connected and Autonomous Vehicles is leading government efforts to support companies such as Origo to develop self-driving technologies here in the UK. It's also collaborating with local authorities, such as those in the Greater Cambridge area, to explore how self-driving technologies can deliver transport services that are designed for people at their core.
The trial on the West Cambridge campus has funding from Innovate UK. It's a collaboration between GCP, Greater Cambridge Partnership, and Origo, the developers of the shuttles. This isn't a flight of fantasy. This is an emerging technology with real-world benefits.
So this is the Origo autonomous vehicle, electric vehicle that's been converted to run so it can drive itself. So we have some laser scanners. So with those scanners we can see all around the vehicle and out to 200 meters in front of the vehicle. So there are multiple cameras. We can pick up objects that are in the scene and we can also pick up the road markings.
Most bikes either are hyper-traditionalist or relatively playing it safe. One of the things that we want to do is call back to a time where there's a sense of traditionalism and retrofuturist design, but we also want to be forward-looking and build a style of its own. When we look at building an electrocycle, it has to be as good, if not better, than what exists on the marketplace when it comes to internal combustion. If it's not, we are failing.
We are the world's first twin-hub electric motorcycle with a 300-mile range, 120-mile-an-hour top speed, fast charging, advanced safety features, and so much more.
We're excited to announce that our very first electrocycle will be built with sustainability in mind and crafted with the most cutting-edge material. It will be available for pre-order early next year for less than $25,000. Our very first model electrocycle is going to be the most safe, the most stylish, and the most exciting motorcycle out there on the market.